So in this video, I'm gonna go over this KastKing, sling backpack. So what this is a light duty kind of backpack that any type of fishing, actually I'm gonna use it for a wide variety of things, but let me just go over the features on it. So it is a sling style pack, and right here is a good spot for like a pair of pliers. It actually holds them in place, and I've got them tethered off. They have these little like MOLLE hooks pretty much all up and down through here, and these little things right here, and this is reflective, by the way, so that's handy. It's adjustable right here. You got a little thing right here. You can take this off, you can unhook this and hook it on left or right. You guys see that? So you can take this off and move it over there if you don't want to use it on the left side. Very nice and padded and vented right here in the back. Has a hook right here for hanging it up or carrying it around, a water bottle holder right here. And then on this side is a fishing rod holder. Now I don't use these fishing rod holders a lot, but you can put one rod down there and that rolls around the side. This back side is just more area right here. You've got a pocket here, some storage down in there for maybe snacks or something like that. But you know what? That's not what we use this for. Right here is what I'm using it for, and check this out. You guys see that? I have 3 full-size 3600 plain old boxes stuffed down in there, and I actually got room for one more. So I think it can hold maybe 4. You've got a mesh pocket there for your cell phone or something like that. But there's a lot of storage in here. I think you could probably easily get up to 4 3600 packs in here. Right here's an extra storage here. Here's where I keep my KastKing scale. So I've got my fish scale right down in there. You've got an extra mesh pocket there. Once again, a lot of these MOLLE hooks all around the front. Little place right here that I put usually my fishing license, something that I want to be able to access pretty quickly. Yeah, everybody, the quality on this thing is really good. I wear it while I'm fishing. It's easy to hike and move around with it. It doesn't get in the way. Very simple, super lightweight, and you know what? It does the job. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing, backpack sling. See you on the next video.